Alright, guys, the birthday content train has officially left the station and we're starting off strong with a major look reveal. I absolutely had to go all out for this birthday, and this outfit is everything I envisioned and so much more. Can we just take a collective second to appreciate this dress? It's a custom made piece from Glam Laura, and I actually ordered it all the way from the US. I'm not going to lie, waiting for an international delivery for a major birthday look is always a little nerve wracking, but the moment I unboxed it and put it on, all that anxiety completely melted away. It was giving absolute modern day princess vibes. I'm completely obsessed with the intricate embroidery, the structured corset detail that snatches everything perfectly, the high slit, and this gorgeous rich satin green tone. I'm in love with this color. The way the fabric drapes, I just love everything about this gown. The way the fabric drapes is just pure luxury. But let's pause for a quick reality check. Because behind every glamorous, viral worthy video is a chaotic story that you don't always get to see. We were shooting this entire sequence outside in the absolute scorching heat. Let me tell you, it was an absolute struggle. I was literally melting under the sun. The camera crew was roasting and trying to look elegant, regal, and effortless while sweating profusely is a talent in itself. My makeup was fighting for its life, and I was secretly praying for even a tiny whisper of a breeze. But we powered through it all for the aesthetic and the content, of course. I also stepped way out of my comfort zone with the overall styling for this shoot. If you followed me for a while, you know I'm a die-hard open hair girl through and through. I always feel the most comfortable, secure, and confident when my hair is down and flowing. But for this specific gown, my team and I decided to break my usual rules and experiment because why not? We went with this sleek, high top knot bun hairstyle with just a few face framing tendrils left out. I was honestly so terrified that a bun wouldn't suit my face structure, but I decided to trust the process. We also pushed the boundaries with the makeup, doing a dramatic smoky green eye look to perfectly match the tones of the dress. Seeing it all come together on camera, I'm so incredibly glad I took the risk. It just proves that sometimes you have to step out of your box to create something truly magical and unique. When the dress fits like a glove and has a beautiful trail that catches the wind, you just have to embrace the moment, work the camera, and let the outfit do the talking. The way the fabric catches the light made every single second in that heat completely worth it. Eventually, the sun won the battle, and we had to move the shoot indoors just to escape the heat and catch some air conditioning. And this was my second look for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this little behind the scenes. I had an absolute blast shooting this. So stay tuned for more such videos, more looks, and a lot more glam coming your way soon. So bye for now.